Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm doing a review and packing video on another LYMIA bag. This is the Sophie backpack. This one I have been pretty excited to share with you guys for a while now. I've had it for a couple of weeks and have been using it off and on. Every time I post a picture over on Instagram, I get tons of messages about when I'm gonna pack this up, when am I gonna share it. There's so many different ways that you can pack it and so many different things that you can use it for. And a lot of the messages that I was getting was people wanting like a different or a variety of ways to pack it up because there is so much internal organization. You have so many pockets on the outside. So today I have it packed up just for myself. This is like a typical day slash, I don't know, like a work bag. I have my computer and all of the things in here for me. But you can easily obviously use this as a diaper bag. It comes with a change pad, which is amazing. It's a really good size. It's the perfect bag, I think, for an everyday bag. It's not too big, it's not bulky, yet it's really kind of comfortable to carry and it fits just the right amount of stuff. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is a traditional backpack, but it does come with this optional shoulder carry strap, which I use all of the time. I think it's really comfortable, kind of thrown over my shoulder. I love how it looks when it's just hanging here. Sometimes when backpacks have optional straps like this and you wear them backpack style, they look kind of funky from the back. Like the strap will be sticking out or it won't lay nicely on the bag. So I think this one was designed really well and I like the way that it lays. I'm gonna go ahead and actually detach it though, just like I typically do for my videos, so it's not flopping around as I'm going through the whole thing and opening it. This material is made out of nylon. They do have full grain leather options that are absolutely gorgeous. If you guys saw my Charlie review, that one was in their full grain leather. This one here has some nylon colors as well as leather options, so definitely check it out. I'll have the link to everything below of things that I show in this particular backpack and of course for the backpack itself. So besides the actual like shoulder carry strap option that you can add to the bag, you have this amazing grab handle at the top. It's nice and big and it's big enough for me to kind of fit in the crook of my arm if I need to for whatever reason really quickly, like grabbing something of the kids or getting out of my car. So I really like the length and how sturdy this top handle is. On the back of the backpack, of course, you have the optional, or not optional, it's a backpack, like the backpack straps. What I think is really cool about it though is if you don't want to carry it backpack way, you can unhook them down here at the bottom and easily tuck them into this flap back here. So it's super easy. If you didn't want them flopping around for whatever reason, you do have that option as well. I tend to, like I kind of mentioned earlier, I just keep it in backpack mode and I keep the other strap on it and I think it's awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead, flip the bag around and we'll start from the front and then work our way back around here on the bag. On the front here, you do have the LYMIA nameplate right here that has LYMIA engraved. All of the hardware on this particular colorway is gold, which I think looks really pretty with this dark kind of teal color. This front pocket here is awesome for wallets, quick grab things. I just have my cell phone tucked down in here. This is an iPhone 11 Pro, just for size reference. I was easily putting my wallet in there though another time. This pocket goes all the way down, I would say almost to the bottom here, maybe halfway on this pocket. My entire hand, as you can see, I can fit down in there. So just as an idea, it's not lined or anything with like felt or neoprene or anything like that. It's just the regular lining of the backpack, just so you know. Then down here at the bottom, you have two really nice size pockets. They are magnetic closure and they close with absolutely no problem, which I love. So over here in this one, I actually just have my Lily Jade coin purse, and these are actually for sale on their website. I did not know this for the longest time. I was like wishing that I could get my hands on one because they're so cute and compact in their Old English leather. But I didn't know. So they are for sale on their website. It comes with a little kind of clip over here and a long like tassel. But in here, I think it's just the perfect size for my earbuds. So I have those tucked down in there as well as the charging cable down there at the bottom. I like this little coin purse because I can clip it to like the outside of my bags or something if I wanted to for any particular reason. This other pocket over here is the perfect size for a couple of things. I have my lippy clip with a chapstick, and I also have my Touchland hand sanitizer. You guys know I love this. I always carry it with me. I have it inside the little silicone case, that you can buy separately for these, and it fits down in that pocket, no problem. I actually probably could have fit like 1 or 2 other things down in there, but I just put a couple of quick grab kind of things that I needed to. Over here, kind of moving around the bag, you have 2 awesome insulated pockets here on the outside. Over here in this one, I just found that it was a great pocket for my face masks. I've been loving these like mini O-Venture silicone pouches because I just feel like they kind of keep my face masks together in one place instead of just shoving them in my bag, which I tend to do. I've been putting them inside like a little pouch. It seems more sanitary to me. I don't know, like maybe it's just me, but I have 2 of these kitsch masks down in there. You guys know I love these. And then these particular silicone pouches do come with little rings here so you can attach them to your keys or bags or whatever you wanted to. Over here on the other side of the bag, I just have a 17-ounce Swell bottle. These side pockets are nice and wide. Another thing that I love about these side pockets is they do have a small little hidden magnet, if you guys just heard that. So when you don't have anything in them, they will magnetize to the side of your bag so that you don't have like a big side pocket kind of in the silhouette of the bag, if that makes sense. So I love that feature about it. Moving along here to the back of the bag, I already went over like the straps that are there. You have 1 zipper pocket back here, and I think it is a great pocket for a wallet just because it's a little bit more secure being on the back of the bag here and in a zipper. I have a new wallet that I actually just got that I'm kind of obsessed with. I'm not gonna lie, I really, really like this one. It is so slim and compact. It is made by Rothy's, if you can't tell by their signature little blue stripe here. It's in that, I want to say it's a camo print, but I forget the actual full name of it. I'll try to link it, of course, but it's really nice. It's so slim. I love the hardware on it. When you open it up, make sure you can't see any of my, when you open it up here, you have card slots over here on the side, you have a long pocket right here, and then you have the Rothy's logo with another pocket right here. So it's just awesome. It holds all my cards perfectly, and it's really, really slim and compact. I think I'm gonna be in this one for quite some time. Underneath this pocket, you do have a luggage sleeve pocket. So down there at the bottom, as you can see, there is a zipper that you can unzip and actually use it for your trolley on your luggage. I love that there's an added zipper down there because when you're not using it for travel, you can use it as another exterior pocket, which I just have some wipes down there at the moment, but I can easily throw in a couple of activities for the kids. I can put in maybe like a coloring book or another type of pouch that has some crayons and markers and all that kind of thing. It's just a great little throw and go type pocket back there. And then also, of course, like I mentioned earlier, if you did not want to use the backpack straps, you can easily tuck those down in there. So lots of different options. I love the back of this bag and the way that it was designed. Before I open up the main part of the bag and show you how I have the inside packed up, I did want to briefly mention that I have packed inside the LYMIA Trifecta pieces. The only one that I don't have in there is the large one. There's 3 different pieces, a large one, a medium-sized one, which you'll see packed inside, and a small one. But since I didn't have this one packed inside, I wanted to take a minute and just show you how good this color combo is. I absolutely love it. It looks so good together. It's just like a very rich combo, I feel like. In the large piece here, if you guys didn't see my previous video when I kind of went through this and unboxed it and went through into like detail as to how big it is, you do have rings over here on the side, 2 zipper pulls here at the top, and then this set actually comes with a long strap, which you'll see in there, so you can use this as a crossbody bag for yourself, or you can pack it in larger bags. There's a couple of pockets in there, as well as a zipper pocket, and then on the back here of this crossbody, you actually have another zipper pocket. So this is a great little set. This again is the largest piece in there. Opening up the main part of the bag, you have a double zipper pull, which you guys know I love, and it only unzips to about halfway down on the bag. So right here in line with where these pockets are, which is nice because you can see everything, but nothing's going to really fall out when you open up that bag. And you don't even have to really unzip it the whole way. If you just want to grab something out of these pockets, you can keep the zipper just like zipped right here and be able to kind of grab in whatever you need. Right here, I'll actually pull out what I have in the main bulk of the bag, which I know that's typically opposite of what I do, so that I can really show you the pockets without anything on the inside. Right here, sitting in the middle, I have my keys, and I have attached to my big O-Venture ring, the optional little key ring that comes with this bag. This is another really cool design feature. This is a super strong magnet that you can put on pretty much anything. If you want to throw it on your fridge, if you want to put it anywhere, you definitely can do that. It's a great way to kind of not lose your keys, but there's a small little square back here that this magnet attaches to. It is a super strong magnet, like really strong. I don't think you'll have any problem with your keys falling off of there. I love it because it just kind of catches on really easy, and I have a place right there for my keys to go. You can also attach other things to this. If you're using this as, say, like a diaper bag and you want to attach like a passy pod, or if you want to attach like a chapstick or anything like that that you know that you're going to need to grab for rather quickly, this is a great way to do it because you always know right where it's at. I only have 3 things in the middle part of this bag, one of them being my big Erin Condren planner. This is a 7 by 9, I believe, size. It's kind of their standard life planner. It's big, it's bulky, I love it. I actually am using this one until I can move into my new agenda that I got from them. So this is, like I said, like the regular life planner, and that fits perfectly in that pocket right there. You can also fit the life planner really well in this laptop sleeve back here if you wanted to do so. Like if you're packing this more as a kid bag and you don't have a laptop or anything like that, it's a great fit back here in this sleeve as well. Right in front of that, I have the medium trifecta piece, and in here I have all of my tech things. I think this is a great pouch for that. There's a little ring over here on the side, and I just have my external phone charger attached to here. You guys see that a lot in my videos. It is made by Packed Party. They don't have this exact one, but they have other ones, I believe, on their website. But this medium piece here is clear on the front, which is great because you can see everything that you need. It is full grain leather, just like their trifectas are. And then on the back is just flat leather. So there's no like clear part or anything like that. But like I said, I have all of my tech things in here, chargers for my laptop. I have my external drive for my computer, and I have some more memory cards. I need something for my memory cards. I don't know if you guys saw my whole drama dilemma over on Instagram. I was in absolute tears. I was carrying a memory card just like this, kind of stupidly, openly in a pouch, and I cracked it right in half. And I had 3 videos on there that I had recorded, so I was real sad. Anyways, if you guys know of a really small little like compact like card charger, send me a link because I clearly need one. Right in front of both of those things, kind of tucked down here, is the small piece to the trifecta. I love this little thing. Those of you that have the small LYMIA coin purse, I showed this in another video, but I keep kind of getting asked about it, so I thought I would show it again. It is a little bit bigger than that. I think it's a perfect size because I think this is not quite large enough for kind of all my little small things, which is what I have packed in here. This is great for earbuds, by the way. I do pack my earbuds in this a lot of times too. I know you guys have seen that, but this is just a little bit bigger, and so I find that it's a really good size for like all of my small like cosmetic type things. I have a foldable hairbrush in there. I'll kind of pull everything out really quickly. I know I don't typically do this in my pouches, but I do want to show you how things fit inside this one. I have 2 of my Tarte lip glosses that I love. I also have my Posh Healer stick, which you guys know I always have on me. And this is a pretty big stick, by the way, and it fits in there obviously fine. I have some Advil and Excedrin, random Band-Aids, and then I also have this little pack of hair ties and bobby pins. So as you can see, a lot kind of fit down inside this little pouch. I think it's like perfect for all of my things. Now that the backpack is empty, you can kind of see a little better As to the room inside here, besides the little magnetic thing back here, you do have a zipper pocket that I don't have anything in. It is kind of embossed right here. It's really hard to see, but it does have the LYMIA logo right there, which I think is something really kind of special inside the bag there. And then you have a padded, pretty thick here laptop sleeve. I have a 13-inch MacBook and it fits in there great, as you can see, like no issues whatsoever. If you have a larger laptop, I'm not sure that it would fit in this one. Not 100% because this is just the size of mine, but you can definitely use this pocket for a lot of different things for sure. Like if you want to put activities for the kids back here, changes of clothes, like diaper changing, it's really a great pocket to kind of separate the inside of the bag there. So you can use it for a lot. On this two sides here of the bag, you also have two more insulated pockets, just like the outside here. So you could essentially carry 4 different bottles in here if you needed to. There's a lot of different kind of functionality with this bag. Over in this one, I just have a couple of snacks, to be honest. I threw in a granola bar. I also have a couple of these fruit strips, and that's it. I don't have anything else inside that pocket. Over here in this one kind of hanging out, the only thing I tucked down in there was my Erin Condren pencil pouch with my family's little photo fob there attached to it. And inside here, I just have highlighters and pens and things like that that I like to use for my planner. What I love about this pencil pouch is it has an elastic band over on the back side of it here so that you can attach it to the outside of your books or journals or Bibles or whatever it is that you want to attach it to. So that's what I had tucked over there in that pocket. Now I'm going to, I think I'm going to move the bag around so that you can see the front organization on it here, because I think it is really unique. You have 2 small pockets here, and then you have a wide, rather deep, like mesh pocket here. I just have my hand cream kind of hanging out down there at the bottom because it just sat really nicely down there. But I also was carrying, now that I have it unzipped, that's kind of a problem, but you guys get the idea. My small little trifecta piece fits awesome down in there. I don't even have it pushed all the way down. I just didn't want everything to fall out because it's unzipped. But as you can see, that's another like great pocket for that. If you're using this as a diaper bag, I imagine that this mesh pocket would be awesome to tuck diapers down into, like so many different things. But these 2 pockets here are short pockets, so they only go down to about here, about the size of tissues, which is what I have tucked down in this one. And then over here in this pocket, I just have a couple of small things. I just have a pen. I also have a pair of these travel scissors from Erin Condren. And then I have a nail file. I don't know if you guys have seen these, but I kind of love it. An influencer, I can't remember who, but on Instagram shared them forever ago. And I've had them and I really like them. They are glass nail files. So maybe not the best thing if you're carrying a bag with kids, but they really do make a difference when you're filing your nails. They're just a lot smoother and they're really inexpensive on Amazon. It comes in this little case and it comes with a couple of extra glass nail files. So anyways, another little thing I've been carrying and really liking. The only other thing down in this pocket is a slim pack of gum. So that'll kind of give you an idea of what will fit in there. And that is everything that I had packed up in here today. I hope this gave you a good idea on how you could pack it up. It's really a functional backpack. I like it a lot. I like the nylon. I think it was designed really well. So I will have my link to everything down below so that you guys can check it out. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And I will see you on my next video. I hope you have a great day.